Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I am going to make a faux leather keychain. And what I'm going to do is use the faux leather from the Dollar Tree. So I just bought it. It's my first time using it. We're going to go ahead and use it together. And then I'm going to give you my opinion on if it's any good, what I think. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to write my name. And the font that I'm using is Amarilla. We're going to go ahead and select this, and I'm going to leave the measurements as is for right now. We're going to click on offset, and the dimensions are 0.25, and I'm just going to leave that and click apply. Next, I'm going to drag my name and just kind of set it aside. Then click on the offset, and we're going to duplicate it. And then we are going to go ahead and flip this one horizontal, so they are, like a mirror image of it. And I'm going to kind of separate it probably at almost an inch, and select both of them and click align and center vertically, just to make sure that they're centered. Okay. Then click on shape, and we're going to insert a box, and I'm going to unlock it, and the width is 1.75, the height is 0.75. I'm going to drag it down here and just eyeball it. That looks good to me. And then I'm going to select all of that and click weld. I have to say I was pretty impressed with the faux leather from Dollar Tree, and I would recommend it. So just wanted to share that, and you guys tell me what you think. What do you think you think it turned out okay? What are your thoughts? Leave them below, let me know, and thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.